Hey everybody, it's Christina of CraftyPaws. I'm here to share a little happy mail. This is from Tina, who's the Scrappin Rabbit here on YouTube, and she and I are going to do a collab that she invited me to, and she sent me a package of goodies so that we could be working with the same materials for our projects. Now, I just wanted to show you real quick the packaging. But look at her return address, little bunny here, and she added a little Halloween sticker here. Well, and that's because we're doing a Halloween collab. But isn't that so cute? I'm just covering up our addresses there. She included a card. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. And by the way, if you don't know Tina, you definitely need to go check her out. She's so talented. Look at how cute this little kitten is, riding on a broomstick. It says, "Never mind the witch, beware of the cat." And the background is so beautiful, and she's got little stars on here, lots of layering. She's popped up the kitten on foam dots, and I'm going to read the message off camera. And then look how sweet this little adorable puppy is. This is a little bookmark. It says, "Woof woof, happy Halloween." What a cute little puppy standing over a little jack-o'-lantern. And she's got like heat embossing done for the eyes and the mouth and nose and all the entire image of the puppy. This is such a cute puppy. Tina, where did you get it? It's adorable. So cute. And she's even got like little stitched marks die cut into this bookmark and beautiful little iridescent tassels with purple and black. So cute. Tina is fabulous at details. So this is her first challenge, and she's told me what rules are going to be, but I'm going to put that in a separate video. But I wanted to show you all the goodies that she has included in my package here. Open if you dare. Look at how cute this is. It's a little coffin. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at these little charms. Oh, and she, of course, knows that I love dogs. Look at a little bone. Clothespins. Oh my gosh, look how sweet these little charms are. Oh, they're adorable. This is the domestic cat. Small, usually furry, carnivorous mammal. It's often called an indoor pet or simply the cat. This one says Raven. These are so cool. And she's got them double-sided. Fantastic Halloween charms. Little jack-o'-lantern charms. More paw prints. Love the little spiders. Isn't that the sweetest thing? Such great Halloween goodies. Bows. Thank you so much, Tina. This is awesome. And then little potion bottle. This says Crafter Potions. Look at this cute little tag and lots of gems in here, orange and clear and black. This is going to be wonderful for like shakers and embellishments. This is a sheer ribbon, and it's in black. It's like shimmery. Fantastic. Another little potion bottle. This one has sequins in it of stars and purple and gold and black. And this says Eek on this tag with a little sheer ribbon, and it has a cute little spider on a tag that's got a spider print pattern on it. And this is all embossed. It says Eek. Oh my gosh. Tina, you are so, so sweet and generous. Look at this cute little pouch. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Little Hello Kitty witch. Little puppy witch. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Oh, and then look, this is a dog that has like stitch marks, like the Nightmare Before Christmas, and little bones and jack-o'-lantern bags. So cute. I can't wait to play with these. Self-adhesive gems, all in black. Oh my gosh. And this is a Gina Marie Designs potion bottle with spiders and caterpillars and skull and crossbones. So cool for Halloween. Oh my gosh. Look how adorable this is. This is Fun Stamper's Journey. And look at these little dogs and cats all in costume. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Aren't these so darling? This one looks just like my bandito, and this one a little bit longer than Bubbaloo, but so close. I can just turn his ears down and it will be a perfect image of Bubbaloo. Oh my gosh, and look how cute these papers are. This is Pets and Pumpkins. It's a DCW 6x6 card stack. Oh my gosh. And here are all the different patterns. Look how cute this is. Wow. Oh my gosh. Tina, thank you so much. I absolutely love the whole package and the packaging, and you are so talented. Thank you so much for thinking of me, of doing this collab with me. I can't wait to get started playing with these yummies and sharing our projects with you guys. Please check it out when we post. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful crafty day.